Hey everybody, I'm Yvonne with Back to Earth Creations, and in this video we are unboxing this month's Potomac bead box. So we're going to unbox it and then I'm going to show you what projects we made with it. Let's get started. Okay, so this is December's Potomac kit, their Treasure Edition bead box. There we go. And I'm opening it today and I'm really excited. Ooh, Winter Luminance. And we are recording this with our studio audience over on Kick. Hey everybody over on Kick. Thank you so much for keeping me company while we do this. Oh, okay, I gotta read the thing first. Bold and bright lights glow above a pristine blanket of shimmering snow. Oh my god. Soft pearlescent angels hover in every storefront vignette downtown. I don't think I pronounced that right. This month's treasure box features merry and bright colors of check glass, as well as a touch of snow white that marks the winter holiday season. Create festive holiday jewelry with a basic stringing technique reminiscent of popped corn and cranberries on an evergreen tree, and build your own cozy atmosphere that is perfect for creating memories with friends and family. Let's see what's in here. Okay. Do not eat. Okay, so they've got some little spike beads. And these are, oh, those are so cool. Yep, definitely glass. That's really nice. And they're 5 by 13. Woo! 5 by 13 millimeter. Haha, I caught it with my keyboard. I bet that's enough for a necklace or two. For certain. Or some earrings. Oops. What should we make with these, you guys? Oh my god, I've made such a mess. And so something that we're going to be doing in the Kick stream today, for those of y'all who are watching this after the fact, is we're going to be putting all of these away into our bead collection. Ooh, nylon coated stainless steel. Oh, nice. 7-strand. 0.46 millimeter. This is going to be perfect. This is one of my favorite things to use for the beading cable. This is my favorite for string and necklaces. Oh, and they gave us one of these springy things. What you do with these is whenever you're stringing your beads on, and I love it for if I don't know if the necklace is going to be a good length, is I'll go ahead and put one on the end, usually with a couple of inches of space. That way I have enough beading cable to hold on to be able to complete the crimped bead without it being too cramped. But oh, that's so cool. And then I'll string up the whole necklace and then figure it out. Oh, now that's just a nice mix. I'm just gonna divvy out a little sampling. Oh, that's nice. Some faceted greens. I love the dagger beads. Ooh, one of those twisty beads. Uh-oh. Oh, and now I'm making messes again. Bye-bye, bead. I'll find you later. So that is really nice. The twisty bead kind of looks a bit random, crammed in there with the other ones, but I really like the rest of the blend. Ooh, and also, this came in a previous month's Potomac bead box. These are just their little Christmas trees. Oh, 2 silver and a copper and a gold. They might be nice for like weaving like a chainmail bracelet or a strung bracelet. I would use one of these in a ball head pin to be like the charm that kind of dangles. And that's how I'd work around those two not really matching, but I'm making these two into earrings for certain. Ooh, that's a really nice warm orange. What's the tag say? Smooth rondel. 3 by 6 millimeter burr. I don't know, but those are beautiful. I love that shape of bead. I've been making a lot of lamport glass beads in this rondel shape. Now, granted, mine are much, much bigger, but let's get these dumped back into their bag. Ooh! Strings attached, in our Kickstream chat has suggested icicles with these. I think that's a really good idea. Oh, and look at all these strands. There's a bunch of beads this month. Like, in no way is that a complaint. Oh, I love that red. Oh my goodness. Oh, and what are, oh, little angel wings out of glass. Oh, and that's so pretty with that little bit of purple in there. And then these faceted, I like these shape and size for making ear cuffs in our booth. What a nice... But I love these. Oh my gosh. That red. And then let's see. Oh, a crystal Rivoli. That's the most beautiful ravioli I've ever seen. And now, oh, what are these? Paisley puffed coins. I bet these would look super cute as a bracelet. How many are here, I wonder? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Typically, if I make like a wire link bracelet, and even if I incorporated just a little bit more, like if I did like a little bead on either side of them, I can make around a 7.5-inch bracelet with just 5 or 6 beads. So yeah, I can do a shorter one, I can do a longer one, and then I can do 2 pairs of earrings just off of that little bit that's in there. So I wonder... That is quite large for a ring, for my tastes. Just because wire wrap rings tend to like have a very raised profile. Oops. Back in the back. Now here's some spring style clasps. That's really pretty. Wow, 24 karat rose gold plated. Nice. And then what's this? Ooh! Metallic emerald, the Ava beads. That's really nice too. Oh, those are going to look super cool. Okay, so my idea with these that I'm having right this second, and I wonder how this would fit together. But I bet we could do a 2-strand necklace, something that's going to curve around like that. And in between each of these, I wonder, would this bead fit in there? We may need to do like an additional seed bead or something to get it to be like offset. They might be a little large. But perhaps, oh, that would look really nice. These 24 karat gold, rose gold spacer. I don't know, I'm going to experiment and see what size and shape of bead I can fit up inside the V of the Ava bead. Because like I wonder... That's going to look really cool, I think. But yeah, we're going to be playing with these beads all day in our kick stream, getting stuff made. And then in this video, if you stay tuned just a little while longer, I'll be showing y'all what it is that we're making, like what it is that we got made in that stream. So we've got those spacer beads. What are these? Twist nuggets. Look at those. Those are cute. Perhaps some funky earrings. These are size 11 in silver lined ruby. That's beautiful. And then here we are with some pastel green 2mm. Some really nice like dainty stuff too. Oh, now I'm going to save this for myself as a Christmas ornament. Oh, I love that. That's so pretty. Or last minute Christmas present. Oh, leatherback earrings, silver plated brass, 18mm. I really like leatherback style. Oh, and they have that nice little scalloped like shell pattern on the front. And then what on earth are these? Petal beads. Well, I guess we're gonna have to make, and they're side to side. I'm gonna try to make a little. That's going to be gorgeous. I don't think I've ever used any petal beads that large before. Ooh, and then a 3-strand silver plated tube clasp. I love tube clasps, y'all. Like, that's so nice. I love the way that it looks for like on a necklace too, because it gives it such a continuous, like all the way around. The only downside is something like this. I don't know how to extend it. So that being said, I'm going to get to crafting and then we'll show y'all what we got made with our Potomac treasure kit or treasure box edition for December. Alrighty, y'all. So we got so much different stuff made. I'm going to take you through some B-reel footage of all the different earrings that we had made. I provided my own ear hooks on these and wire, but I loved using the little glass cones. When I had tried using them in a strung necklace, the cones just would not sit down for me. But that is okay because I was able to utilize some in this kind of like, I don't know, deep sea creature starfish. I was just playing around and having fun. I was able to utilize a lot of the mixed beads to accentuate some of my own lampwork glass, both in the form of earrings as well as this strung necklace, where I did supplement my own crimp beads and clasps and chain and these faceted jasper, but Potomac bead box was, sorry, tongue-tied. The beads that I got in the Potomac bead box this month were these green and then these green faceted. I ended up using the whole strand of that, but it was perfect because it was just enough. And then I also was able to utilize some more of those green beads from the mixed bag for in between these azurite as well as these light emerald lampwork glass beads that I had made. With the inclusion of some of my own beads, now these ones I haven't finished into earrings yet, but there's little candy wrapper, like little candies for those are going to be earrings. And I wanted to use up all the little like kind of angel wing beads that had come with this kit. So I made some that are little fairy angels, some that's just like a little crystal with the wings, a bunch of these candy twists, as well as, I don't know, I kind of think they look like Navi from The Legend of Zelda if you pretend like real hard. And then some more little candies over here. And again, with these, I did provide my own chain. And this was some of the chain that we had gotten, the enameled iron from Panda Haul that we did in a previous video. And I'm still really, really pleased with that chain. And I used stainless steel 9x14 lobster claw hooks and this large curb chain, which I think is perfect for, clasping the hook onto. You want that part of wearing jewelry to be very easy. Oh, and I utilized some of those pretty beads too. Very, very nice. And I wrapped these up using 22 gauge wire. This is how those Ava beads turned out, utilizing some of my own dagger beads, but if the colors had been right, I would have used those red, but I just preferred the purple with this nice, like, seafoam teal. I don't really know what color to call that, but I love it. And again, just splicing in, I'd gotten these Potomac pearls in a previous kit, and I still think the Potomac, like, this is officially, I think, like, my first kit I had gotten was back in January, so it's been a year, and I think I highly recommend it because, y'all, especially if you're, let's say, into chainmailing or wire wrapping and not so much into beads, and you aren't really certain of where to start your bead collection, their Treasure Edition box is a really good way. Like, I think any bead box really would be a very good way of building up a wide variety of different styles of beads that you might not necessarily have been initially drawn to, but that challenge you creatively to, and you'll be like, well, what can I do with this? And that way, it's definitely gotten me to think outside of the box too. Now, this is a design that we're going to be doing a tutorial on, but I utilized some more of those same faceted beads that came in that mixed pack, where I'm just incorporating it into a viper chain, because in another one of our live streams, I think this one was a YouTube live stream, y'all had asked, well, can you do more designs incorporating beading in chainmail? And my initial response was, well, I already have, over 80 tutorials just on chainmail alone. But then I was thinking about it and I was like, I bet there's a lot of weaves that if I just kind of looked at each weave and was like, how do I incorporate beads into this? And so I think that's something we're going to be tackling more in the coming year. And I'm really excited to continue using the beads from the Potomac bead boxes to incorporate into my chainmailing. As well as, oh yeah, these ones over here. These are some necklaces. Now, I did provide my own howlite, but I just think it looks like a nice, like little kind of, I think I'll be wearing this one on Christmas Day, but all of them will end up going into our shop for sale. And I still have so many beads to delve into and experiment and explore with. So I've had a really great time, and thank you to everybody again who hung out in our kick streams, keeping us company while we over the course of multiple days, experimented and had so much fun with the beads this month. So like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you'd like to join us on our crafting journey, there's a link down in the video description where you can get your own Potomac bead box, and we will see you next time. So thank you guys, and happy crafting. Mwah! Bye.